In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo collage, like the one you see here, to your website using WebStarts. To do this, I'm going to be using the page editor. While signed into your account, click the Edit Site button. That will open the page editor. Next, you're going to select the page you'd like to add the photo collage to. For this example, I'm going to be adding the collage to the Photos page, so I select it from the drop-down menu. Click the Add button and select the gallery element from the sidebar. The gallery is populated with some photos by default, but we'll update those in a moment. I'm going to use the alignment tool to ensure the gallery is perfectly centered on the page. With the gallery selected, I click the pencil icon to edit the contents. I'm going to quickly delete the placeholder images and then replace them with some wedding photographs I uploaded to my website earlier. I can select multiple photos at the same time by holding down the Shift key on the keyboard. With the photo selected, I click Insert File. The wedding photos now populate my gallery. I click Update and you can see they're displayed on my page. Now it's time to turn this gallery into a photo collage. I do that by clicking to select it, then clicking the attached style icon. And then, finally, I click the collage skin from the pop-up window. That's it. Creating a custom, one-of-a-kind website with WebStarts is fast, fun, and easy. I'll see you next time.